Come and experience the magic of Mount Chirripó at Casa de Chirripó. Perched high on a hillside, this sanctuary offers sweeping views of the Talamanca and Ventisqueros mountain ranges, a hidden gem for those seeking nature's embrace. A gateway to adventure, Casa de Chirripó sits near the entrance of Chirripo National Park, where climbers begin their ascent to Costa Rica's tallest peak. This is paradise for birdwatchers, hikers, and outdoor lovers alike. The property also features a cozy cabin with a studio bedroom, designed to immerse you in nature's beauty. It's perfect for additional rental income or hosting friends and family. Start your mornings on the balcony as hummingbirds, parrots, and toucanets dance through the rainbow eucalyptus trees. Watch the clouds spill over the mountaintops, merging in the valley below, until the cabin is gently enveloped by mist. At night, fireflies light up the darkness, creating a magical atmosphere. Enjoy fresh mountain air and pristine spring-fed water straight from the faucet, with rivers just moments away. Casa de Chirripó is a two-bedroom retreat, featuring a warm kitchen, inviting living room, scenic balcony, and a cozy chimney. The surrounding area offers a full spectrum of experiences, from hiking trails and rivers to cheese factory tours, health retreats, animal sanctuaries, natural hot springs, and a butterfly conservatory, all within an 8-minute drive. Breathtaking views, unique experiences, and unforgettable moments await at Casa de Chirripó.